Aloha, Nina here with another video. Today I thought we would talk about something that's pretty cool. It's the Amphicar experience over at Disney Springs. Have you guys heard of it? Have you tried it? It is so amazing. I actually read about it online first, but then I was at Disney Springs, and when you walk past, you kind of wonder what's up with this car boat thing, and it gets you really excited to want to try it. So here I am explaining it to you. So first of all, you get to meet your captain, and he's actually a real captain. Here's ours right here. He actually had to go to school and pass all the training and courses and whatever they have to do to be an official captain. He had to do it. So of course, this is our Amphicar that we actually rode in. And so like I said, this is at Disney Springs, and it's located next to the Boathouse restaurant, which is on the waterfront. Obviously, you can't take an Amphicar into water without water. And here's my family right here, super excited to finally be in our Amphicar. So one thing to note is they took the first part of this is all pictures that they took of us while we were in our Amphicar. And because I had the memory maker, look, it's a Prince rubber ducky. How cute is that? Since we had the memory maker, we got all these pictures for free. So as other people were trying to purchase, 8x10s and whatnot of their pictures of them inside the car, we got ours with our memory maker, which is a super sweet deal. So make sure you check that out. So right here, as I said, is Disney PhotoPass photographers taking second by second images of us actually diving into the water. And as you can see, my whole family is in the car. I'm right there in blue with my camera the whole time, and you'll find out why later on. So here's some information about an Amphicar. Did you know they're German made? Yeah, they are. They were actually built in the early 1960s with just under 4,000 of them created. And sadly, only about just less than 400 exist today. So they went from 4,000 to 400, and Disney purchased 8 of them. So they purchased 8 of these Amphicars. They kind of remodeled them to be safe for everybody, repainted them classic colors, and put them out for you guys to have this experience. And this experience, the Amphicar, is a little on the pricey side, but for people that are looking for something new, like I've been to Disney so many times, it's nice to have something different to do. Or if it was a couple celebrating, how about proposing on this sucker? I mean, that would be amazing. But anyway, the cost is $125, and that's for a 25-minute boat tour. It does seat about 3 to 4 people, depending on the size of the people. I don't know about 3 adults in that back seat, but me and my 2 kitties totally fit fine. And one perk I do want to mention, that if you are going to eat at the Boathouse restaurant, either before or after, you can get a $25 discount, or for us, we got it like a refund back since we did the Amphicar first and we ate at the Boathouse second. My review on the Boathouse will be towards the end of this video. So anyway, like I said, it is on the pricey side, but it's Disney, right? That's kind of how Disney rolls. And when you've kind of done everything else, why not try something new? Just like, the hot air balloon rides at Disney Springs or bowling at Disney Springs. But how about an Amphicar ride? I mean, it was super fun. We did it towards the evening, as you can see. And so the sun was setting, and it was very pretty. And we took a boat tour around the whole water lagoon area in the Disney Springs area over there. It was very nice. So anyway, like I said, I had a camera in my hands, so stay tuned because you're going to see what I saw.
dine one of 9 Amphicar in our fleet. It's the largest collection of amphibious cars in the world. These were built between 1961 and 1965 by Amphicar Company out of Wolfsburg, Germany. They built 3,878 of these, which people like to dine and ride on the road, on the highway, to a lake.
So they're not recent conversion, they were actually built long ago.
Exactly. Yes, there's nothing in the world quite like these, mostly because right after they were produced, basically, Mission
How cool was that? I mean, we literally just took off right from the dock, the road area. I mean, it was amazing, and it actually went pretty fast. So on our tour, we did come across Disney's Saratoga Springs and a little bit of Disney's Old Key West. And if you look super closely there, a bunch of ducks. I just love Disney ducks. They were not afraid of our car whatsoever. You can tell they were used to it. I just love it. And these cars were specially made to be boats and do require that there is a flag on the back of the car to make it, you know, for safety and for boat reasons that I am not familiar with. But I absolutely loved it blowing in the wind, and when he would rev up the engine, as you can see the water out the back, it was just so cool. I mean, it was like we were in a speedboat, but yet it was a car. I mean, it's just one of those like once in a lifetime experiences, and why not? You know, save up your pennies a little bit and give it a try. I mean, my kids were thrilled, and we're going to try it again because, I mean, they were kind of younger, so why not do it again? But it was super fun going around the whole lagoon water area. We got to see Planet Hollywood at that point had come down, and they were redoing some construction on it back there in the back. You can kind of see it. It was super cool. And we passed Rainforest Cafe a few times, and I kept waiting for the volcano, you know, to erupt, but I couldn't quite capture that on film. It just wasn't working. But anyway, it was really cool to see. And then when we got back, when we were going, I don't even know what to call it, going back up the ramp towards the dock, that was a whole nother experience. Was super cool. So here we are getting ready to go back towards the boathouse at the end of our 25-minute tour, for which the captain was amazing. He gave us lots of tips and advice, told us his whole story between him and his wife and how he became a captain and the whole thing. I mean, it was entertaining, it was informative, and you're in a car on the water. I mean, come on now, you can't beat it. So anyway, you can see the pictures of us returning home, for which we then ate at the boathouse. So of course I said that if you ate at the boathouse, you would get $25 off your Amphicar ride. We paid for the Amphicar ride first. We ate at the boathouse, and then we went back, proved we ate at the boathouse, and they gave me a $25 refund, so to speak. So anyway, it was pretty cool. And then they had the computer screens there for you to pick out your photos, but since I had Memory Maker, we just put them all on my account. Easy breezy, super nice. So anyway, we ate at the boathouse, and as you may have noticed from my videos and my blog, we do have several food allergies, and I am vegan, and this is not a Disney-owned restaurant, so I was a little nervous to dine here. I was able to talk to the chef ahead of time and felt very confident that we could eat safe and sound. Service at this restaurant was a little lax that day. Maybe they were just overcrowded with people. I'm not really sure, but you know, service isn't always perfect everywhere. But the food was delightful. My kids had kids meals served in these cute little like paper Amphicars. They were super cute. We actually took one home. They just had some simple mac and cheese. I had what I requested, which was a veggie filled potato. My husband ate fish or something like that, which he also loved. So anyway, give it a try. Give the Boathouse a try. Oh yeah, my brownie dessert was so yummy. Give the Boathouse a try. Give an Amphicar a try. I mean, like I said, when in Rome, do it, try it. So anyway, please subscribe to my channel. You'll see my icon up there in the corner, and like and comment my page, please. Mahalo for watching. Nina out.